My time here at USC, especially within athletic training and the certificate, has helped me build a lot of emergency response skills, especially in terms of traumatic and exertional injuries. So a lot of injuries that I typically didn't cover or get to cover in my master's program, I got to cover here and apply at my clinical rotation at Campus Rec.
Learning about all of the different exertional injuries, the traumatic injuries, specifically those two classes with Dr. Jurgen were very beneficial in me gaining a more comprehensive, or at least a better understanding of all of those different pathologies, those injuries, and how to actually manage those.
I found it really interesting to delve into the behavioral and mental health aspects of athletic training. It's been nice to take what I've learned in class throughout the year and in turn apply it to my practice with the University of South Carolina tennis and golf.
I've loved my time here at USC. I got to learn about mental health best practices. I learned how to write policies and procedures specifically for mental health, how to refer athletes, a bunch of things that really helped me become an effective clinician and communicator.
I think my favorite part has definitely been the hands-on, so it's not every day as athletic trainers we get to practice IVs or get to practice suturing, which has been super cool.
The pharmacology class was very impactful for me. I learned so much from that class.
I got to implement all of these things while working at Columbia College, so I was able to implement a pregnant athlete policy and procedure there as well. So really have enjoyed everything here.
We have the opportunity to create like patient education videos. So basically just create videos that we could send along to our patients.
I'm grateful for all of the faculty here. Without their support and time and continued effort into me and my clinical practice and education, I wouldn't have grown in the way that I did in this year.
All of the staff here are amazing. They did their absolute best to make sure, and the most to make sure I had the best education I could possible. If anybody else is going to be taking this certificate, there's nothing but benefits coming from this.